Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the blower assembly on your electric downdraft cooktop, be sure to shut off the power to the cooktop. Detach the venting from the blower. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the 2 screws securing the blower assembly junction box. Reach into the box and disconnect the wire connector. Next, use needle nose pliers or a flathead screwdriver to help depress the retaining tabs to release the power cable strain relief. Use a Phillips-head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws to release the plenum access panel. Support the blower assembly and use a 3/8-inch socket or nut driver to fully unthread 3 of the 4 locking nuts from the blower mounting studs. Remove the 3 nuts and washers, then loosen the 4th nut. You can now fully detach the old blower assembly. Prepare the new blower assembly for installation by removing any protective caps from the mounting studs. It may be helpful to slide one of the washers over a stud, then thread a locking nut loosely before aligning the blower assembly. Align the assembly on the plenum so the blower outlet faces the appropriate direction to line up with the venting. Slide the remaining 3 washers over the mounting studs. Then thread on the locking nuts and hand tighten. Avoid fully tightening the nuts at this time. Feed the power cable connector through the junction box and snap the strain relief into place. Connect the wire connector. Reposition the junction box on the cooktop base and secure it with the screws. Rotate the blower as necessary to align it with the vent, then attach the venting. With the venting attached, you can now tighten the locking nuts. Replace the plenum access cover and secure it with the screws. With the repair completed, turn the power supply back on, and the electric downdraft cooktop should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.